Well, you're going to walk around and do things, aren't you? Yeah, you are. Oh, look at my puffball here. You're truly a genus puffball. Hello.
Look at all that yellow coming in.
Especially on the head and the wings, yeah.
Yeah.
And the rest is all fluff. Hi, baby Fluff. Hi, fluffy one.
Little fluffy one.
We got you. Oh, baby. Beautiful.
Look at all those feathers waiting to burst out and be beautiful big feathers.
Yeah.
And looks like they're leaning more toward McCoy with all the yellow. It's hard to tell yet.
Well, there's a lot of white on the baby still, too.
Yeah.
Other than on the wings and the head, it's all white fluff, so...
And there might be more green. We just don't really know.
Yeah. You're going to get older and you're going to show us all the beauty.
I'm going to leave you to baby so I can get dinner together. Bye-bye, baby.